How's it going, everyone? It's Bowie here, and today I'm going to be giving you a quick tutorial on the Clown Social Mining app, the app built on ICP that lets you earn crypto rewards for simply making posts on the X social network. We're going to be covering everything from creating an account to earning tokens to even creating token allocations yourself. But before we jump in, let me provide a brief overview on how the app works in the first place. To put it simply, the Insane Clown Protocol app is a blockchain built on top of ICP that distributes rewards to miners. Rewards are offered in allocations, which give off a specified amount of tokens in each block. Each allocation has an allocation tag, which is just an X username that must be included in a post in order to earn that allocation's rewards. Miners are people like you and I who create a post on X containing an allocation tag and then submit the post to the app. Rewards are distributed proportionally to every post with that allocation tag, with higher quality posts earning a larger share of tokens. Of course, there's a lot more to unpack here, so without further ado, let's create our first miner. I'm going to be running through this tutorial using NFID wallet, but obviously internet identity works too. Log in to get started. The first thing you'll want to do is click Verify in the top right. This will connect your wallet to your X username in the app. When you click Verify, you'll see a verification post template pop up. All you have to do is submit this post, and the app will do the rest. The verification process should only take about 15 minutes at most, but if it's taking longer, then feel free to message the dev team on X, either at RealClownICP or at Let4B. I'll link their accounts in the description. Now that we've been verified, I want you to notice My Clown Printer on the right side of the screen. This printer is connected to your account and gives you a multiplier for every single post you make in the app. Right now, we're only at a 1x multiplier, but if we upgrade to silver here, it goes up to a 50x multiplier. To maximize your rewards as quickly as possible, I suggest you upgrade your printer to silver. Unfortunately, our 10,000 tickets wasn't enough to upgrade all the way up to silver. Thankfully, there are more ways to earn tickets, so let's open the gift box and see what kind of rewards we can get. 2,700 tickets. That's good, but it still won't be enough to upgrade to silver. I'm going to use some of the ICP that I have in my NFID wallet and buy an envelope of clown tickets. I have 3.01 ICP that should be good enough for a blue envelope, which contains 150,000 tickets. Keep in mind that all ICP spent in the app goes directly towards developing the app and supporting the clown token. And there we are, we're now at 155,000 clown tickets. Should be good enough to upgrade to silver. And there we are, 50x multiplier. Now that we're ready to mine, let's create a post and get our hands on some clown tokens. If you go to the allocation section, you'll see all of the active allocations and how much they're paying. This second allocation is paying 888 clown per block to interact with at real clown ICP. The only way we'll be able to earn these tokens is if we create a post tagging this username. So let's create a post and mine the allocation. Once we've submitted this post, we're going to need to copy the post link and submit it in the app. Once we do this, our post will mature in the app for about an hour as we accumulate likes, reposts, and comments before finally being able to earn tokens. Remember, the more engagement you get and the more effort you put into a post, the better your scores will be. Try using between 1 and 3 allocation tags in your posts for the best results.
A few moments later.
So it's been almost 24 hours, and as you can see, both of our posts have been submitted and are now set to earning. This means we did everything right, and our posts will begin to mine tokens over the next week or so. In the meantime, we've earned some Clown, Raven, and Pepe. To claim these tokens, simply click on this pickaxe button next to the token. And just like that, I've earned crypto simply for making a post on X. Real quick, I'm going to go over the process of creating an allocation for other users to mine. First, you'll need to choose a token that you hold in your in-app wallet to distribute. If there's a token that you want to add that isn't already on the app, message the dev team and they'll get your token added. Now let's go over the other parameters. Amount pledged is how many tokens in total that you'll give to miners. Block reward is how many tokens get paid in each block. And pay every nth block determines whether your rewards get paid every block, every other block, or on some other custom interval. These parameters will greatly change how long your allocation is available for, so set them carefully. The primary at tag parameter determines what account miners will need to tag in their X posts in order to be eligible for your allocation. An enable reward halving simply adds a halving mechanism to your allocation, like Bitcoin. When you click deploy, you'll see crucial information like how long your allocation will take to distribute. Keep in mind that all allocation creations cost 80,000 clown tickets. Before I go, I want to touch on a couple more things. If you're using an internet identity wallet, in order to withdraw your mined tokens, you'll need to send them out of your in app wallet and into another wallet of your choosing. To do this, click on the wallet section and simply click Withdraw Token next to the token you want to send. There's also a leaderboard that tracks the highest performing users on the app. Each season, there will be a chance to climb to the top of this leaderboard, potentially giving you rewards at the end of the season. If you'd like to see other stats regarding the app, this section has helpful information such as the amount of users, the app's treasury balance, and the amount of blocks produced. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments section of the video or message the Clown team on X or Telegram. Have fun mining, and let me know what you'd like the team to add to the app in future updates. Until next time.